Alexa, lower the volume. Hi everyone, mag-unbox tayo ng gifts. Let's go. How are you guys? Kamusta? I miss you guys. I miss you guys. Guys, it's been diba? Parang, it's been nakailang days na ba di ako nag-live? 2 days lang, diba? Hi guys, I miss you. Kamusta? Mag-unbox tayo ng mga gifts. Dami kong cake dito, mga 3 cake galing sa inyo. And then meron din akong gift na actually parang makikita ko kung ano yung laman. Like from the outside. And I'm so excited to open it. Like feel ko yung i-unbox ko ngayon. Feel ko yun yung favorite gift ko I've ever received. Thank you. Sasama si Cholo sa Good Gang Thrift. Yes! Kakaalis lang ni Cholo actually. Kakaalis lang ni Cholo before I live. Magjo-join siya. Pinaplan na namin. Punta kayo punta kayo. Anyway, should we start unboxing na ba? Okay. Send ito sa mga GCs nyo for Kinsay siblings. Kasi ang dami kong na-receive galing sa kanila. So gusto ko sila i-shoutout. Shoutout din kay Tubbs. Siya din nag-asikaso. Salamat Tubbs kung nandito ka. I love you. Okay, this one is from Tuwakin Tew. It's a vanilla cake. Open natin. Di ko umuwi ng dinagyan. No guys, kasi may class ako. Pero super nainggit talaga ako sa lahat ng stories of dinagyang and sunulog. It's strawberries. Oh, thank you. I have 2 of those. So they gave me 2. I'm gonna share it with Cholo and Hero and Gel. Oh, one is for Gel and Hero. Okay, one's for Gel and Hero, one's for me pala. Wait. This is from... Cute nyo This is from Chobesti. Chobsti. Hi Waki Buka and well, you can share to others din ha. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ang sarap. Excited na ako. Let's go. Next, we have this amazing cake from... Ala, saan galing to? It's strawberry cake. I miss you guys. Kamusta naman kayo? Guys, huwag kayong mahiya magtanong habang nag-unbox ako. Go lang. Para at least may topic din ako habang nag-unbox. Okay, wait lang. Kanina to galing, walang name. Pero grabe, ang sarap ng cake. Like strawberry shortcake talaga siya with fresh strawberries. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Go! Thank you guys for the cake. Unfair ng mundo, Waki, no? Bakit? Bakit? Yes, guys, Good Gang event, February 1 and 2. I'll be there with Cholo, Bella, Gel, Hero. Sino pa? Other influencers din. Okay, this one is from... walang name. How's life? Life is good. And Kilakush! Actually, yung may-ari kasi ng Good Gang is Kilakush. Si Zoe din. Shout out Kilakush. Shout out Denise Julia, I love you. Okay, I don't know who this is from, pero unbox natin This is lavender essential oil, bro. Oh my god. Smells so good. So good. Oh, may note dito. Oh. At Reds, thank you. I love you so much. Thank you. I also have a photo card of Sai Smith. Thank you so much. Idol ko yan. I miss you, Swifty. Kamusta kayo? Okay, ang daming essential oil, At Reds. Guys, if you know me, alam niyo na sobrang obsessed talaga ako sa mga candles, sa mga scents, oils, calamansi, lemon zest, lavender. Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you guys. Hi everyone coming in, nag-unbox tayo pero I'm almost done. So, magtanong na lang kayo dyan about anything you want. I'll answer it. I miss you guys. Miss na miss ko kayong lahat. Sana alam niyo yan. Na I love you all so much. Mukbang down ng cake? Pwede. I won't make Antay na Buffer Gel and Hero. Okay, wait lang. I saved the best for last. Guys, fuck. Like, napapamura talaga ako because I think alam ko kung ano to. And for those of you who don't know, I am starting a podcast. Sinaset up ko yung parang studio ko. And nung dumating ko galing sa inyo, I was so happy kasi need ko to. And parang hindi ko to na-request and I never mentioned this to anyone. So, thank you. Grabe. This is from Chubsty again, or Chub Bestie. I don't know how you say your name, let me know. And then Jean tags, Tubbs, Regine, Danny, Iran, Love Wins. Guys, I love you so much. Like, siguro ito yung favorite gift ko that I've received so far. Prof. Leo, shout out, love you. Welcome back. Let's open it. Feel ko ano to, LED neon sign. Cholo actually saw it kanina. Sabi ni Cholo, gago, is this a neon sign of your name? Perfect to sa podcast. And Cholo and I were screaming. Cholo wanted to open it, pero sabi ko, sa live na lang, para makita din nila yung unboxing ko. Kaya, thank you. Tell me to eat waging ching, kain ka na. And there are handwritten letters, which is my favorite gift from you guys. Yung mga handwritten letters ko talaga. Lahat ng handwritten letters that you guys made for me, since day one, nandito pa rin sa akin. I keep it all kasi sobrang sentimental and mahalaga yung mga words niyo sa akin. And I love you guys so much. This is so fucking cool. I can't wait to read these mamaya. While eating the cake. Yun yung gagawin ko after live. I'm gonna eat the cake and read all your letters. Anyway, last thing to unbox. Alexa, play That's So True by Gracie Abrams. Thank you, Danny. Danny, how do you say your name ba? Thank you, ah. Okay lang handwritten letters. Oh, daw, sabi ni JB. Pero pangit sulat. Okay lang. It's the thought that counts, diba? Wait, I need to get like scissors. I love you, Ira. Bebu. Yan na yung tawagan natin. Bebu. I love you guys. Thank you. This is like one of my favorite gifts. Super. Like, nag-freak out kami ni Cholo kanina. Ang sikip ni Waki, grabe. Whoa! I have current favorite song, Giliw. Hello. Current favorite song, Ragdoll by Dora Jar. Post ko kaya sa discussion channel. Yung artist na ito sobrang underrated. Pero Ragdoll by Dora Jar. As in, thank you. I have a spot for it na. I'm putting it here. There. Para may light na ako dito. Pero syempre, when I film the podcast, it's gonna be in the background. I'll move it around. Kaya guys, thank you. I'm gonna try my best sa lahat ng gifts na ibibigay nyo sa akin. I-include ko sa podcast. Like, gusto ko yung background is like wall, diba? Tapos lahat ng binibigay nyo sa akin, na bagay naman sa wall, I'll put it there. So, this sign will be in all of my podcast videos. Thank you guys. Para at least when you watch my podcast, you can see a little part of yourself din. I really love this gift. Ang hirap lang i-open. Ano ba? Love you, Mrs. I love you more. Wait lang. Kuha ko ng scissors. Hirap na to eh. That's my life. That's my life. I love you. Don't you know the Alexa, louder. How do you say chubesti or chubsti? Paano ba? Thank you ah. Thank you. Ah, chubesti. Okay, got it. Thank you, chubesti. One by one na lang kaya, no? Sensya. Wait lang. Ito na. Excited na ako. Ang hirap. Wait lang, guys. Malapit na. Alexa, louder. Sorry, ako nagbalot niya. Okay lang yan. Dani, thank you. Maku, I love you. Thank you so much. Kolsai, why? Busy yan, guys. Dami niyang work. And recovering din si Sai kasi sick siya. I've been sick din actually the past few days. Alam na yung feeling na like pa-fever ka na pero wala pa. Yun yung feeling ko for 1 week. Parang inaantay ko na lang yung day na gigising ako na may lagnat. Pero wala pa. Parang 1 week na ako palagnat pero hindi pa. Yun yung feeling ko. So si Sai recovering din siya. I don't know where he got it but I think I got infected by Galen Hero. Kasi sick din sila last week. So yeah. I miss you, Maria Lee. I miss you too. Ito na. Malapit na. I can imagine when you go home that you follow. Gagong ganda! What the hell? Guys, ang bango-bango! Of course. Guys, by the way, I had to delete my brand deal for Axe. I had to repost it. I think dinelete ko nung 10k views na siya. And then nung pinost ko ulit, parang 2k views na lang siya. So, if you guys love me, can you please like my recent TikTok, yung Axe? Kasi mali pala yung pinost ko. What's the song title? This is Free Now by Gracie Abrams. Welcome to the Gracie Abrams world. Thank you guys. Pa-like lang or pa-comment whatever you want. Para lang ma-boost yung TikTok kasi I had to delete it. Na mali ako na-post eh. Thank you guys kasi yung mga branded contents ko that pays my bills. So thank you. I love you. Do you have any movie recommendation? Uy! Lilia, see, I got you. Thank you, JB. Movie recommendation. Guys, follow me kung may letterbox kayo dito. Follow niyo ako sa letterbox. Doon ako nagpo-post ng mga music reviews ko and doon ako nag-rate ng mga movies. Pero I would recommend movie pag feel good movie, Devil Wears Prada. Pag like horror movie, I recommend The Substance. The Substance maganda. Pag like nakakaiyak, if you want nakakaiyak sa family, in a family sense, Everything Everywhere All at Once. Maganda yan, nakakaiyak yan. Kung may mommy issues kayo, Lady Bird. Ano pa? Kung gusto niyo mga easy watch sa Netflix, try nyo yung documentary ni Taylor Swift, yung Miss Americana. Maganda din yan. Diba daming genre? I'm ready, guys. Let's do it. Malapit na. Sorry, it's kind of hard to open. Sorry, my babies. I'm trying my best. Mami Oni remix. Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Yung pag-squatter natin, iwan sa bahay. Ano yung sunod? What's next? I love Gracie Abrams because of you. I love you, Snoopy. I love you more. Ano ulit yan? Yun yung favorite ano ko. favorite, that's my favorite, Mommy Oni line. Gusto ko yan i-memorize eh. Gagawa ko ng TikTok. Killua, I'm good. I love you so much. Di alam ni Gel. Siyempre yung, alam niya guys, yung FYP ni Gel, sobrang American talaga. Like, walang lumalabas na Pinoy content sa FYP niya. As in, sinabi ko sa kanya dati, yung parang Queen Yasmin. Hindi na kilala si Queen Yasmin. Grabe. Hindi na kilala si Piang eh, di ba? Ano ba? Fuck. Here we go, malapit na. Malapit na, malapit na. Malapit na. Gago, ang hirap. Oh shit! This song is Messy by Lola Young. Wait, yung cake. Shit. Okay, ito na, ito na. Here we go! Wait, on natin, on natin. Wait, on natin guys. Diba, I'm in my podcaster, TikTok streamer era. May neon sign na ako. Oh, diba? And it's gonna be behind me. Diba? Parang ganito. Gago, ba't may astigmatism yung TikTok ko? Thank you! Ang ganda oh! Thank you! This is so nice. Gago! Wait lang. May astigmatism siya. Ayan. Thank you! It's so cute. I'll put it on later. Baliktad? Anong baliktad? Eh, baka hindi lang naka-mirror. Diba din yung Gracie shirt? I'm glad you love it. I'm glad you like it. Ganda ng quality, diba? Mirror? Okay, wait. Let's go! Thank you! Ayan. Feel kasi mag-screenshot kayo. So, thank you guys for this. I don't like how I look like pag mirror. Guys, I'm gonna change it. Pangit ko pag hindi naka-mirror pala, no? Laki lang kulang. Inuman pala, no? Ganda. I love this. How will I kabit it kaya sa wall? Paano kaya to? Pag-isipan ko mamaya. Dark and handsome. Diba dapat it fits my room kasi I like having colored lights. Guys, salamat. I'm so happy. Thank you again to Gian Tags, Tubbs, Regine, Danny, Iran, Love Wins. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Anyway, mag-end na ako at 10, okay guys? Because I have to work pa. But I had such a good day. Sana I will heal from my lagnat. I mean yung feeling na palagnat na ako. Dahil dyan, kakanta si Waki sa live. Oh! Kainin kaya natin yung cake. One bite, one bite, one bite. Gago, ang ganda, guys. I can't wait to put it up. Ang ganda. Like, tignan nyo. Diba, it's like this. Diba? Ito yung... Ano ba yan? Okay na. Ito yung bed ko ngayon, diba? Imagine if dito yung light. There. By the way, I also got a new plant. May bagong plant kami dito sa condo. Iisin ko lang to. Ito din yung couch area ko. Beside the side. Ayan, condo tour. Yun yung coffee station ni Gel. Lahat ng mugs nandun. Ayan, couch. Nasira lang yung... Ano tawag dito? Yung holder ng mga vinyls ko. But yeah. I love you guys. Thank you. Yeah, dami kong renovations din lately sa condo ko. Thank you, Tubbs. I love you. Okay. Let's try the cake. Let's go. Thank you guys. I love you so much. I love you guys. Mag-live nga kayo. Daan ako mamaya sa live nyo para mag-thank you personally. Oh, I got velvet siya, oh. It's red velvet strawberry, guys. Best of both worlds. Nakita mo na billboard ni Cutie? Yes, nakita ko. The other day, magkatabi lang pala yung billboard ni Cutie tsaka ng Rickshan. I saw it kanina. No, not kanina, yesterday. Magkatabi lang pala sila. Kaya nung napicturean ko, cute kasi yung friends ko, imagine. Oh, fuck. Gago, ang sarap. Kailangan ba talaga magmura, Waki? Ang sarap! Kaya ito galing. Sino ulit? Walang name. Ah, ito. From True Bestie ulit. Love you. Ang sarap! Wow. Wait lang ah. Sarap! Wala, delikado to. Diet na ako bukas. Paano to? Monday na bukas eh. Paano to, guys? That's so yummy. Alam mo talagang masarap yung food pag... Diba? Diba? Asan si Galan Hero? Galan Hero or on a vacation? They went out of town together. Nag-date sila. Finally, may privacy na ako dito to do my private things. Baka ubusin ni Gel sa CR ulit. Okay, diba? Nung di ako nag-live, pumunta dito si Bella. Tapos, sabi ni Bella, oh, excited na ako sa crinkles ko. Tapos umalis si Gel. Nag-hide siya sa CR. Tapos sabi ni Hero, Bella, hindi namin mahanap yung crinkles mo. Tapos, napaamin lang si Gel kasi nakonsensya siya. Di naman nagalit si Bella. I look like Vico Soto. Ewan ko sa inyo. Parang pangit pala ng lighting. Wait. Ba't ang orange ko? Ayan. Ay. Ayan, better. Hi everyone, kamusta? Nakuha mo rin yung isa, it's vanilla flavored naman, it's for you, Galen Hero. Oh yeah, this one, the other one, I got 2. Di ko pa in-unbox to, para sila na mag-unbox. Pero salamat guys, sa lahat ng nagbibigay sa akin, dati pa, salamat talaga. Lahat ng binibigay niyo sa akin, nandito pa talaga. So, thank you for everything. Pero guys, sana next time, di na kayo magsasad ng mga bawal sa diet ko kasi hindi ko siya ma-enjoy. Pero, I love you guys. Salamat talaga. Ang sarap ng cake. Hailey, late ka na. Pa-ed na ako, guys. Mga ate ko sila sa Kinsay because of you. That's so cute. I love that. Yes, Chol, I will. Thank you. Wacky, why are you so tall? Oy! Guys, I'm 6'2 lang. Ano ba? Di naman yan matangkad. Grabe naman. Grabe kayo. Parang normal lang naman yung 6'2". Diba? Hi there, hello. Juju, good night. I love you so much. Diba? Alam nyo guys, ang dami talaga nagko-comment. Waki, ang tangkad mo. 6'2". Sabi ko guys, parang normal lang. Okay nyo. 6'3 nga ako eh. Pero minsan, 6'2 na lang para di naman masyadong nakakahiya. I miss you guys. I love you. I love you. 6'2 nga. 10-10, thank you. 6'2 nga. 6'2 nga ako. Ano ba? 5'6". Hindi talaga. 5'9 po talaga. Sige, 5'9 na lang sasabihin natin para sige. Pabigyan naman natin chance yung mga hindi masyadong matangkad. Sige. Sige nga. Okay na lang. They can take away so pages turn with the bridges burn. Ano ganap niyo next week, guys? Ano gagawin niyo next week? Lahat ng classes ko next week face-to-face na. So, I'm kind of excited. Kasi na-miss ko na, like, you know, pumapasok, going to campus, bumibiyahe. Rob! Bessie ko, I love you, bro. How's Singapore? Jada, thank you for the gifts din. Tintin, thank you for the gifts. Tubbs, thank you. Mahu, Lilia, Faith, Regine, thank you guys. I love you. Excited din ako sa Kinsay siblings na event. I think may isang event on February and then one in March. See you guys. I'm excited na. Manong, wala ka nagdinagyang. Guys, hindi ako nagdinagyang kasi may work pa ako. And school. But yes. Kinsay siblings, I miss you all. As in, babawi talaga ako sa Kinsay siblings kasi hindi ako nakapunta sa year-end party nyo. Nag-aaway kayo eh. Di napahati kami tuloy. Sana wala nang away this Christmas, no? Para isang Christmas party na lang. Sama-sama tayo. Wag na kayo kasi mag-away, guys. Ano ba yan? Kayo talaga. Lahat kayo may kasalanan. Pero I love you all. Of course. You guys know. Akala nyo hindi ko alam, no? Alam ko lahat. Tahimik lang ako kasi syempre di naman ako involved dyan. Pero natatawa na lang ako, guys. I just love you all. I love you all equally so much. And sana this Christmas, if it's hot again, guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo, ako talaga mag-organize. Anong year ka na, Waki? Sophomore year. You like my haircut? Hindi ba masyadong short? Mukha akong 19 years old sa haircut ko. Masyadong maigsi. Ano little live selling mo? I like sa Glutalipo or yung trip ko na live selling? The world is not healing pa, alam nyo guys. This year, let's heal the world. Glutalipo. Glutalipo is February 1. With a special guest. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung sino yung special guest. Every week, every live selling kasi dapat may bagong special guest. Sino kaya yung special guest for February 1? Oh, I'll be fine. Si Fiang, one day. One day. Bawi ka lang sunod ng Dinagyang. Sim, alam nyo guys, gusto ko talagang umuwi ng Dinagyang this year. Kasi parang ang saya, ang daming plano ng government, ang daming concerts, ang daming artistas na pumunta sa Iloilo. Yung friend ko nga si Michael Sager, nagpaano siya talaga dun. Nag-event. Pero I had school. And ang dami kong kailangan ayusin. So, I couldn't go home. But, I will go next year. Bella Urbea Boris. Hala, baka ma-disappoint kayo sa surprise. Na, feel ko hindi naman kayo ma-disappoint sa special guest. Pero, hindi ko siya. Actually, dalawa pala yung special guests. Isa, actually, I won't even say na. Kasi, I'm so bad at keeping secrets. But, it's not a friend. No, it's not like... no, it's a friend. Yes. Basta! Huwag kayong mag-expect na friend ko. No, pero friend ko siya. Basta. Gets nyo yan. No, close friend ko siya. Pero, you don't know this person as friend ko. Like, kilala nyo rin siya. Okay? Yun lang. I'll be quiet. Mayor Trenyas, puta. Shout out, Lolo Jer. Yung hair mo sa IG story mo, nice. Parang kang Korean. Yeah, actually, yun yung hair ko. Trinay ko yan. Pero ang pangit kasi pag yung hairline ko, guys, pang 50 years old. Di siya maganda. So, pag gusto ko yung medyo Korean na hairstyle, like, dapat, like, nakaupo lang talaga ako para hindi siya gagalaw. Basta guys, hindi niya friend, pero friend niya, Sim. Yun. Gets nyo na yan. Pero may isa pang special guest na siguro hindi nyo pa nakita mag-live, pero dapat makilala nyo rin siya. What are your study tips? Honestly, yung pinaka-struggle ko sa pag-aral is paano i-manage yung time with work, pag-live ko, pag-content, social life, mga assignments, deadlines. So, gumagawa ko ng calendar sa Google Calendar. Lahat ng work ko and school work ko, like sama-sama silang lahat sa isang calendar para pwede ko siya itingnan as a whole. And then, kunwari, kailangan ko mag-school work for 5 hours and then 3 hours content, ganun. So, parang time management lang talaga sa pag-aaral, I think. Dedicate talaga kayo ng time to study. Ganun. That's what I would say. And it's really easy to study pag like lahat ng kailangan mong gawin is sa isang calendar lang. Para makita mo na lahat ng gagawin nyo. Oh, perfect Tagalog. Perfect yan. Di nagla-live? I don't know. I'm not gonna give hints na kasi baka iba yung ina-expect nyo. But, basta, abangan sa February 1 and I hope you guys can support and ipon and check out. Pero no pressure din naman. Kahit daan lang kayo, I will love that so much. Road to 150k ka na. Yeah. Oo nga. Sana by February. Sana before March, 150k na tayo. Diba? Guys, sa lahat ng nag-check out, Isha, I'm glad you like it kasi that's what I've been using every day. Every time I go walking around dito, pupunta ako ng grocery, gym, yun yung sinusuot ko. Diba? Super worth it yung headphones. What if ipakita ko ulit dito? Sa mga wala sa live ko last time, guys, sayang. Kasi nakita nyo sana kung gaano ako ka-aliw sa live selling pala. Wait lang. I'm gonna show you guys. Grabe. Add ko nga to. Ayan. Lumabas na ba? Ayan! Guys! It's so easy pala to live sell, no? Kailangan ko siya ipakita. Pero, nakakaaliw talaga mag-live sell, gagi. Wait! Pabigyan nyo naman ako. Kasi, this is fun to me. Yeah, I got the product now. Okay, guys. So, yung headphones na to, I've been using it for like the past week ever since I got it. And, di naman 1 week. Few days pa lang. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi pa siya low-bat, hindi ko pa siya na-charge, and it feels so good sa, sa ears. May noise cancelling din siya, and para siyang yung quality, para siya yung Apple na AirPods Max, pero imagine 1K lang siya. So if you wanna check out, it's in the yellow basket. Basta, I'm just gonna put it here kaya while I talk. Para hindi ako ma-flag ng TikTok. Pero if you want these headphones on the yellow basket and the Gracie Abrams shirt, hindi siya masakit actually sa ears because the cover, if you see here, it hugs the ears. It actually doesn't touch my ears. It wraps around it, like dito siya. So yung ear ko, actually untouched siya. And I also have Gracie Abrams shirts. Actually, nasa laundry na siya kasi sinusuot ko siya every day. Habang nakatulog kami ni Gel, yun yung sinusuot namin. But I got another funny shirt. I think I got the next shirt from Saan siya? Here. This one is not from TikTok shop. It's from somewhere else. But I wanna pakita it saglit. Guys, look at this shirt. Wait, yung light ko. This is my favorite shirt. Therapists hate them. And it's Taylor Swift and Gracie Abrams. But yeah, nabili ko to sa ibang app. But if you want yung usual Gracie Abrams shirts na sinusot ko, you can check it out on the yellow basket. Tama na yan, mag-e-end na ako. You bought din, Nawakan, that's nice. I'm glad. Sayang, wala akong commission dyan. Oh! Thank you guys, I love you. Okay, I'm gonna end now because I have work to do pa. I have to Linus here. And maghang pa kami ni Cholo. Inaantay niya ako. Guys, what if kami pala ni Cholo the whole time? What if no? Kami pala. Kaya close kami, no? Ano kaya reaction niyo? What if kami pala? Feeling ko rin. What if, no? Aminin ko na ba? Wag na. Mag-a-acting na sana ako, pero wag na, baka sasabihin. Baka ano pa masasabi ng mga Jejemon sa akin? I love you guys. Yeah, remove ko na yung yellow basket kaya. Through the visions hazy. Okay na ba? Debbie out, Wacky in. I keep forgetting that people thought Cholo and Debbie were together, no? Crazy. Happy na si Debbie, guys. Nakascore siya ng isang lalaking Siargao. Congrats, Debbie. Laban Pinay. Diba? Ano ulit yung nationality ng bago niya? Parang half Russian ata. Raise our flag, Debbie. Raise our flag. Wait, I'm gonna make ayos lang. Kasi I have ano pa. Daming trash dito. Wakin akin si Cho. Sa'yo na! Okay. Sorry, inaayos ko lang. Ayoko kasi mag-live pag makalat. Saka pangit ang hair ko. Maghahata lang kaya ako. Wait lang. Also, Gel and Hero got me this hat. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, Gel and Hero. A Noah hat. Diba? Ang cute. It says Noah and it's blue. I love it so much. Waki, ilang cup mo? Alam mo, nawawala na yung mga cups ko dito. I think I have like 3 na lang na sinusuot ko. Kasi ewan ko, yung laundry namin, yung laundry partner namin, alam nyo guys, inaaway namin ni Hero yung naglo-laundry sa amin palagi. Di naman siya isang tao, like business siya, yung laundromat. Grabe, like they keep losing her shit, bro. As in, like yung mga mamahalin na damit, it's lost. Do it with me. Kinagalang mo tanggap ko for na, ha? Kayo? Gabi, magkano kaya bayad ni Aaron sa inyong lahat? Siguro kada message may 20 kayo sa Gcash, no? Aminin nyo na. Are you gonna watch the, are you gafo mo pakis nga? Ingay nyo? That was the bashers. Mariel, inaagawan yung title mo, oh. Sa pagiging kabit ko. Mariel 2, papayag ka ba? Iron tayo na lang. Di naman lumalaban si si Mariel eh. Tayo na lang kaya. Wacky, are you gonna watch the Grammys on February 2? Yes. I'm gonna watch the Grammys with Gel, Hero, and Bella. Bella's coming over. I'm gonna put it sa projector ko dito behind you guys. Grammys, and then kakain kami habang nanonood. Kasi guys, yung Miss Universe namin, 'di ba? A lot of people inaabangan talaga nila yung Miss Universe. Yung friends ko, inaabangan namin yung Grammys. Grammys, Oscars, VMAs. Excited na ako. Nabubunas na Mariel ng Oo nga, si Denise din pala. May Denise pa. Oh, grabe ang pogi ko talaga, no? Kung kayo mag-away, ako lang to. Woo! Yabang! Sino kaya manalo, guys? Who do you think is winning album of the year? Okay, it's in between Cowboy Carter, Beyonce, Brat, Charlie XCX, Rise and Fall, Chapel Roan, Tortured Poets, Taylor Swift, Hit Me Hard and Soft, Billie Eilish, Short and Sweet, Sabrina Carpenter. Grabe yung nominees. Feel ko, gusto ko Brat or Chapel. Charlie or Chapel ako. More Chapel siguro. I love Taylor pero aminin ko naman, like Swiftie ako pero aminin ko na yung Tortured Poets. Parang hindi siya kaya kung i-compare mo sa mga ibang nominees for me. Ako, I'm voting Chapel or Charlie. Me too, diba? Me too, Maui. Me too. But I want nominated din si Gracie sa best duo, yung song nila ni Taylor, best duet. Sana manalo yan. Pero feel ko, Die With A Smile yan. Ang hirap pag yung kalaban mo, Lady Gaga, Bruno Mars. Pero syempre, rooting for Gracie pa rin. Pero, yeah. Shirt size wacky, large. Kasi gusto ko oversized. Feel ko yung song of the year is kaya? Espresso or Birds of a Feather. Doon yung vote ko. Billy or Sabrina ako sa song of the year. Espresso or Birds of a Feather. Yun yung mga sikat eh. Like worldwide, di ba? Walang tapon. Everyone knows that song. Pati polo mo wacky large ba? Siguro pag polo, like tight na polo shirt, pag dapat tight yung fit, medium ako. Pero usually, oversized sa shirts ako and like yung mga button up. Kasi gusto ko medyo oversized. Kaya large. Bakit? You guys will buy me clothes ba? Wag na. Wag na guys. Pero thank you. Iron Tune na po siya. Hala, married na pala kami. Sino ba nominee sa Song of the Year? Not Like Us, Kendrick Lamar, Good Luck Babe, Chappell Roan, Birds of a Feather, Billie Eilish, 360, Brat, Charlie XCX, Espresso, Sabrina Carpenter, Texas Hold'em, Beyonce, and Fortnite, Taylor Swift. Feel ko Espresso or Birds of a Feather. And Die With A Smile din pala. Die With A Smile nominated din. Yan yung ba si Kendrick? Pwede din si Kendrick actually. Kasi worldwide sikat yung Not Like Us eh. Pero ewan ko. Midwest Princess, yeah. I wanted to win. That or Brat. Pero I'm more feeling Chappell. Diba? Ang hirap kaya ng Grammys this year. Wait, palopat na ako guys. 10:30 nag-extend na ako ng 30 minutes, my love. So, 4 minutes left na lang. Wait lang, guys. Waki, paano mo nakilala si Dane? Si Dane... Dane Ong or Dane Diaz? Nakilala ko si Dane Ong kasi crush niya ako dati. Wala, friend ko siya. Nag-modeling din kami dati. I'm proud of Dane. Sikat na siya, artista na siya. Saan yung ko? Ito. Ito na. Isn't that fun? From what school po si Gel? Sofa. Fashion design. Pero biniled siya dati. Kakalipat niyo lang sa Sofa. Fashion Institute. Something. Hindi ko kabisado. Miss Mika, hello. Hello everyone. Kumusta kayo ni Mom? Mom, my mom? My mom and I are good. Papa na ako, Danny. Kayo talaga. Galing mo nang umilag sa mga comments. Proud of you. What's umilag ba? Pero thank you. I love you. Thanks for sure, Mika. I love you. Panotis din sa akin, Waki, or kakaldagin kita. Kakaldagin mo na lang ako. Okay lang ako dyan. Papayag ako. Anita, papayag ako. Buo na araw pa napanood na kita. I love you, Iran. What does umilag mean? Dodge. Dodge. Yeah. Guys, di na ako patulero unlike before. Pinipili ko na yung comments. One more pa nga, please. Hello, Miss Wika. Wacky media training era. Diba, guys, I'm media trained. Ano ba? Ready na ako for my artista era. Napapractice na ako. Diba? Pag artista na ako and my issue, I'll be like, you know what? I don't have anything to say about that, but I just hope everyone loves each other because all they want to do is spread kindness, diba? Ganyan na yung mga sagot ko. Wala nang viral screen recording. Di mo talaga kaya. Kaya ko! Kaya ko kaya. Waki, ba't ka nun? Bakit? Ano na naman, Hailey? Waki, you're done with the search. Can you please Lala move it tomorrow? Oh, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. Lala move ko. Message me on Telegram. Guys, if any of you need something from me, like you want to text me, wag sa IG. Kasi ang daming kong messages sa IG. Sa Telegram na lang. So if you have my number or if you know someone who has my number, padaanin lang sa kanila para at least diretso na sa akin sa Telegram. Para hindi na siya matambakan sa mga ibang notif. Okay? Wala ka nagdinagyang. No! Ang dami nagtatanong. I want nga eh. Update sa tarot reading mo. Which tarot reading? Which one ba? I love you, Kinsay siblings. 10:30 na. Bye guys. It's time to end the live. I love you. I love you. You're so payat na talaga. Should I show my abs? Do you wanna see? I'm proud of my body, guys. Ay! Wala na akong masyadong text ko kaya yung joke. Bye, I love you guys. If you need anything from me, just message me on Telegram or you can message my admins, Denise or Montana. Or Tubbs. Oh no, si Shay pala. San ba si Shay? Alam nyo guys, hindi ko na nakikita si Shay dito sa live ko. Kamusta kaya si Shay? Anyway, I love you guys. Bye!